sometimes, especially when you're an adventurer like me. That's why I get the best life insurance money can buy. Get a chunk of the rock, because you never know when an hey kids, you can find a lot of neat stuff in sunken ships. Oh, look, there's one now, yay! Say, I wonder what's inside that hatch. Hey, can you pull me up? No, I don't like to die. No, wait, mountain climbing can sure be a lot of fun too, but you always have to make sure you have the right equipment. That's right, Mr. Bill. You'll need this safety rope. Gee, thanks, Mr. Hands. Wait, say, how can I climb with that around my feet, huh? No, wait, avalanche! Gee, Mr. Bill, it's a good thing we used this rope.
Losers!
In a jiffy. Mr. Bill? Mr. Bill? Hang gliding is becoming a very popular pastime, but you have to be very, very careful. You're right, Mr. Bill. You should always wear a helmet to protect your head. Okay, next we'll need someplace high to launch you. Hey, wait, this is the World Trade Center. No, I don't want to go hang gliding. Don't worry, I'll get you going. Bon voyage. No. I guess this isn't that bad after all. Hey, gee, this is pretty fun, kids. And, hey, wait a second. I hope that...
Say the magic words. Bubbly, bubbly, boo.
No, wait. Bigfoot is one of the biggest mysteries ever. They say he lives around here. Gee, I really hope I'm on the right track. Hey, what's that? Oh, gee, I think we may be in luck. Have you found Bigfoot yet? Oh, no.